Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I am going to discuss about mesh topology. This is another video on the series of Cisco Packet Tracer. So what is the mesh topology? Mesh topology is a type of network configuration where each device, which we call node, is directly connected to every other device in a network. So suppose we are having devices. Let's take few devices. These are two devices, three. Let's take one more. So suppose we are having four devices in our network. Okay. So these devices will be connected to each other. One. Now you can see each individual devices will be connected with the rest of the devices inside the network. So this is the configuration inside a network of devices. So as per the definition, this is the diagram. Mesh topology is a type of network configuration where each device is called nodes is directly connected to every other device in the network. So let's come to Cisco Packet Tracer and see how to configure mesh topology in Cisco Packet Tracer. So let's take few devices, and if I take this PC, I would be need hubs for each corresponding PCs. So let's take hub as well. So let's take hub for the each corresponding PC for PC1, for PC2, and PC3. So see, we have taken the hub for each corresponding PC. Okay. Now we are going to establish the connection. Firstly, for hub 2 PC, hub 3 and PC3, hub 1 and PC1. And let's establish connection between hub now. Now we have established the connection. As we establish the connection, now these are inside a specific network. Okay, so let's take any color, suppose this one, and let's draw it. Okay, this is this is a specific network. So if this is the specific network, so I have to assign the IP address for each individual computer as well. So let's take IP address desktop, and in IP address we will put something 192.168 dot, let's take 11.2. Okay, 192.168.11.2. For this for this 192.168.11.2. Not 2 already assigned. Let's take 3. For this 192.168.11. Let's take 4. And now for this 192.168.11.4. So we have assigned the IP address to each individual computer, and as per the mesh topology, we had not connected these devices. So let's connect this one and this one. Okay. Now we have connected each individual device inside network. If you talk about PC0 to PC3, we have connection. PC0 to PC1, we have connection. PC2 to PC0, we have connection. So let's try to send the packet. If we send PC0 to PC2, it is going. If we send PC 0 to PC3, it is going. If we send PC0 to PC1, it is going. If you talk about run in simulation, we can run in simulation as well. Suppose here PC0 to PC1, we can send as per the property of hub, it is going to broadcast. Okay. Now this hub is going to broadcast. Now this packet has reached to PC1. Okay. Now it is going sending back the message as per the property of broadcast. It is going to broadcast. Okay. Now it is sending back the message to PC0. Yeah, this PC has done broadcast. Now you can see the status of successful down below. So this is how we can implement our mesh topology. I hope you understood. If you have any doubt, just comment down. I'm going to solve it. Okay. So thank you for watching. We will meet in next video.